guys, happy July 4th. Today we're gonna sound off this smoke detector and actually my wize cam. So ready guys? And actually I'm gonna record firework, but right now I'm gonna sound off all the smoke detector and the wize security system. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. So guys, that's it. My ears bleeding a lot, so bad, but it's okay. I can still hear. Don't worry, guys. So that's it, guys. Later on, today I'm gonna submit new videos, so stay tuned, guys. And happy 4th July. I don't recommend exploding fireworks. I'm not gonna exploding fireworks because the son of the firework might be illegal. So don't do that. Anyway, guys, that's it.